DJM TV.
Please come back to the People's Democratic Party. Ayu begs Governor Ortom. Welcome to DJM TV Daily News Update, your WhatsApp channel for everything news and gist happening in Nigeria and all over the world. If this is your first time of seeing any of our video, a very big thumbs up to you, and do not forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to get notified whenever we post a new video. Let's go straight up to the updates. The national chairman of the People's Democratic Party, Iyosha Ayu, had pleaded with the governor of Benue State, Governor Samuel Ortom, to come back to the People's Democratic Party because together they will form a formidable team. It will be noted that during the campaign of the People's Democratic Party in Benue State, the governor, some commissioner, and 22 chairmen of the local government in Benue State were absent from the campaign. Speaking at the rally in Benue State, Senator Iyosha Ayu appealed to Governor Samuel Ortom, who has not shown any support for Atiku Abubakar, to join hands with the party for it to be able to rescue the country. Iyosha Ayu said that he has met with one of the G5 governor, the Abia State Governor Okezie Ikpeazu, 2 days ago and also urged him to work with them. According to the People's Democratic Party chairman, there is no division in the party. Ayu said, "What we have is some of our members who are aggrieved, but we are appealing to Governor Samuel Ortom to come back and join us to rescue the country. Governor Samuel Ortom has nowhere to go. We have already resolved our issue with the governor of Abia State, Okezie Ikpeazu. I was with him 2 days ago and he has agreed to work for the success of our party." Let's watch the video. We'll be right back.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to invite to the microphone the original Benue man, original Nigerian, the irremovable, indestructible, indomitable, indefatigable national chairman of our party, former Senate president, former minister, Iyosha Ayu. Power! Mr. President of the Federal Republic in the waiting, and his lovely wife, the mother of the nation, come May. The vice presidential candidate, all other leaders, my good people of Benue State, let me apologize on behalf of the Presidential Campaign Committee for coming so late. But we were talking to your fathers. We went to Boko to talk to the Chief Traditional Council and to the Tukpo to talk to the Ochidoma and the Idoma Traditional Council. Please forgive us for coming this late. Let me thank you for coming out in large numbers and staying here till 10 o'clock to support our presidential candidate and all PDP candidates. I want to appreciate you because you have rebuilt this party. It's a strong party, it's a united party. All of you should come out on the day of election and vote for all our candidates. Vote for President Atiku Abubakar and Vice President Okowa and all our National Assembly candidates on the 25th of this month. All of you know how you have suffered in this country for the last 8 years on APC. Only somebody who has mental problems will vote for APC. Do not waste your vote. Go out, canvass for everybody to come out and vote for the PDP from bottom to top, from top to bottom. After putting in President Atiku Abubakar and Gabriel Suswam, Samuel Ortom, and Abamoro as our senators, you know we have other members of our House of Representatives. Vote for all of them. Anybody who deceives you not to vote for a PDP candidate is not telling you the truth. Vote for every PDP candidate. The party is not divided. There are a few of our members who have grievances. We are talking to them. We want to make sure they come back and work with us fully. 1 week is enough to change everything. This thing has been going on. And I want to assure you that we will receive everybody back. I'm appealing to my younger brother, Governor Ortom, to come back and join us so that we'll fight to rescue Nigeria. There is no better party. Governor Ortom has nowhere to go. His only house is the PDP. And anytime he comes, we shall be more than happy to receive him and all PDP governors. 2 days ago, Governor Ikpeazu was in my house because he lost his gubernatorial candidate. We have resolved problem with Governor Ikpeazu, and the whole of Abia people are coming back. We want all our candidates, all our governors to be with us, because if you allow APC to win this election, you will regret it. Thank you for coming, and now I'm going to present the flag of our party to our governor, the next governor of Benue State, Governor Uba. Please vote for him. Let nobody come and deceive you that there is a Messiah from anywhere. The only Messiah is the PDP Messiah. Thank you, and God bless you all.
Welcome back, guys. This is still DJMTV Daily News Update. So here we have it. We've heard from the PDP National Chairman Iyosha Ayu, who also hailed from Benue State, the state where the People's Democratic Party had its rally, and he was appealing to Governor Samuel Ortom to come back into the party. Governor Samuel Ortom is not alone in this fight. Governor Samuel Ortom and 4 other governors, including the governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, the governor of Oyo State, Seyi Makinde, the governor of Enugu State, Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, and also the governor of Abia State, Okezie Ikpeazu. But according to the national chairman of the People's Democratic Party, Iyosha Ayu, he said that he has met with the governor of Abia State and they have reconciled and he has agreed to work with the party. But the question will not be, is that really true? Will Okezie Ikpeazu abandon the G5 group and agree to work with the party without a consensus meeting with the other 4 governors who are also involved in these grievances? My question will be, what did they tell Okezie Ikpeazu before he agreed to join the party once again to work for the party in his state? And also, when Iyosha Ayu was addressing the crowd, he said that the governor of Benue State has no other place to go to than to run for the People's Democratic Party. But then he said that the people of Benue State should vote for all the candidates from top to bottom in Benue State, all PDP candidates in Benue State, including Governor Samuel Ortom, who is also vying for the position of a Senate in his own senatorial district. So guys, what are your thoughts and comments? He said there's no problem in the People's Democratic Party. What they have is just a little dispute which they are trying to resolve, and they will resolve. He said 1 week is enough to resolve this dispute. But this dispute has lingered for months and nothing has been done about it. Remember that what the G5 wants is for Iyosha Ayu to step down as national chairman of the People's Democratic Party. The question will not be what will be done at this point in time when the election is drawing closer and everyone is tightening the seat bet, including the People's Democratic Party tightening their seat bet to win this particular election. Will the G5 accept to work for the People's Democratic Party during the election? Share your thoughts and comment with us in the comment section below.
stop the stealing and start the giving.
Travel through the world because you will not to kill the rise of the man when he comes to the church is in your hand. Get your penis in and let the march to the church.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV.
People don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJ MTV.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV.